I want to mention a very important practice tool. This is a metronome, and it'll keep the time. It'll go slow, fast, or anything in between. Whatever your song tempo is, it'll do it. And I always use it to practice. Human beings are not born with perfect rhythm. The metronome will help you develop a sense of time. And sometimes it won't sound right, but you have to keep working at it until it does. Like that. Now you don't have to get a fancy metronome like this. You can get one free on your iPhone, iPad, or computer that works just great. So always use a metronome.